Hey Mihir, if you had to pick only two tailbags from our entire lineup, what would you choose?
Easy, the Hammerhead 75 and the Dryback 40 liters. How about you?
For me, it's gonna be the Claw Mini and the Element.
That's interesting.
Yes. Let us tell you why.
First up, the Hammerhead. It's built to go the distance no matter the conditions. It's got premium Cordura construction, Fidlock systems in place, and aluminum alloy hooks. It's really built for round-the-world trips.
Sure, but it's a bit much unless you're disappearing for a month. I'll give you this though, the built-in backpack straps and the duffel bag tote options. Super practical for off the bike.
My second favorite, the Dryback 40 liters. 100% waterproof without any liners or covers. Triple layer construction and ultrasonic welded seams. I just love its clean and simple design.
I do like the simplicity, and I also like the fact that this can also be used as a duffel, a tote, or even a backpack. But the air twist valve, total overkill, no?
Until you're trying to roll down a bag that's stuffed. That's where the air valve is complete genius. It makes compressing your way down much easier. And that's my go-to bag for unpredictable weather and fly and ride kind of trips.
Alright, your turn to listen to me now. The Claw. All-weather, modular and molly compatible. I've carried tents, pots, sleeping bags, you name it.
That modular flexibility is pure gold, and the compression straps keep everything snug, even when the bag is half empty. It's kind of a Swiss Army knife for tailbags, but it's a bit much for shorter trips, don't you think?
I'll get to the short trips in a bit, but the Claw fits almost any bike and stays rock solid. And when you're off the bike, shoulder straps, grab handles and shape-retaining design make it super easy to carry. For shorter rides, I love the Element. 35 liters, compact, and again fits nearly on any bike and adds saddlebags for longer trips.
I'll give you that. The wide U-opening and side pockets make packing easy.
Exactly. Simple, practical, and perfect for weekend getaways. It fits any bike, doesn't overdo it, and shoulder strap make it easy to carry off the bike.
So whether you're doing an overland adventure, or flying to your next ride, or just planning a weekend escape,
there's a ViaTerra tailbag that's built for the way you ride.
No matter which one you pick, every ViaTerra tailbag is built with purpose.
We only use genuine materials and components. What we say is what you get.
Our designs are practical, functional, and made to solve real-world problems for riders.
They really add value to every ride.
Plus, if you ever take a fall, we offer repair support to help extend your gear's life.
At ViaTerra, we design for the ride. If you like what you saw,
do give the video a like.
And share it with a friend who might need this info.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all things motorcycling.